Hey, welcome to ThaiTube. We have some special guests today with me. What's your name? Sophia. And we have 3 blister packs that we're gonna open with you today. 2 Evolving Skies and 1 Vivid Voltage. So without further ado, we're gonna get cracking on this. See if we can pull something super rare. Charizard. Maybe. I don't think so. But here we go. Pack number 1. Pack number 2. Number 2. And pack number 3. Vivid Voltage. Yeah. Let's see if we can pull the chunk of Pikachu in there. So those are our 3 arcs we have so far. Right here.
Read them.
Read. Alright, sweetheart. Which one do you want to open up first?
This one.
Alright. Ready? You're gonna help me pull it, right?
Yeah.
You count 4 to the front. Ready? Here's your code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh. That's your head. Good. Hero's Medal. Hitmon top. Crop Rock. Milkery. Skeeto. Ooh! Eevee. Is that your favorite?
Yeah.
Trubbish. Shuppet. Ruff. And a Ninjask. So our most valuable card is this one right here. Alright, 2 more. Evolving Skies. Which one first? This one? Alright, let's go. You ready? Maybe you'll pull a super rare card.
Yeah, the rainbow one.
Rainbow one, yeah.
Like me.
Code card for you guys. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's go. Go ahead, sweetheart.
Okay.
Good. Palpitoad, Crustle, Moon and Sun Badge, Hippopotamus, Trimpole, Litleo, Eevee. We love Eevee. Yeah.
That's a stupid one.
Cute Fly, Sableye. Ooh. Very nice. And a Feeble. Alright. Last pack. Say last pack magic.
Last pack magic.
Say hello.
Hello.
We're gonna pull Rayquaza. Ray.
Yay.
Code card for you guys. Oh, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here we go.
Energy again.
Energy again. Yep. Digging Gloves. Stormy Mountain. Shelgon. Litleo. Ooh, that's okay. Good job. Chinchou. A Dino. A Punkaboo. A Marshadow. Reverse Holo. And a Altaria. Alright. So, nothing too special or rare today, right?
Nowhere.
No rare, but we had fun. High five.
We got 2 Eevees.
We got 2 Eevees, that's all that matters. Alright, until next time guys, stay well. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. See you.
Bye.
Bye. And we're back guys. We got 1 more pack for redemption.
Yeah.
We didn't pull too much. Oh, thanks, sweetheart. We have 1 more pack, right?
Yeah.
So, redemption. Redemption. Because we didn't really pull much heat on that one. So we got one more last pack magic that we will shoot and see if we can pull something nice. Right? Alright, ready, sweetheart? Let's go. Let's go. Code card for you guys. Ooh, white code card. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ooh, okay, sweetheart. Yeah, you can pull.
I can reach.
You can't reach. Alright, here you go.
1, 2.
Good luck, sweetheart. Hopefully pull something rare.
Yeah.
Redemption. Drampa, reverse holo. Ooh! Dude, An Espeon Vmax.
win.
Holy smokes, dude. Yeah.
Michaela!
Oh my god.
Michaela!
Nice pull, babe.
Michaela!
Yeah, this is one of your best pulls ever. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little episode. She's super happy right now. We had redemption back. We got 3 packs, 2 Evolving Skies with 1 Vivid Voltage. Nothing pulled, but we needed redemption, right?
Yeah.
We got 1 more, so make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to ThaiTube.
Bye.
See you next time. Bye.